Geomembranes can be applied in many industries, such as waste landfills, anti-seepage, water management, reservoirs, anti-seepage projects, etc. In recent years, with the development of geomembranes material science and the improvement of geomembranes performance, the application of geomembranes has become more extensive, and the scale of their use has become larger and larger. Geomembranes are gradually popular with engineering personnel due to their advantages of easier construction, shorter construction period, and lower cost. Established in 2002, Tinhy's teams are focusing on manufacturing, marketing, installations, applications, and R&D of geosynthetics. With more than 300 employees, we operate 25 production lines and serve customers from more than 30 countries. Welcome to consult us online to get the latest quotation.